Homes by Saint-Gobain. Hello everyone and welcome to Homes. Today we offer you a trip to Singapore. The city-state is in the process of renewing a large part of its housing stock, and the sector is trying to find how to articulate those constructions with sustainability. That is what Joy Guy explains to us. She is Asia Pacific Programs Head for the World Green Building Council.
The major current issues we see in Singapore is there are too many constructions going on. We understand there's need, but we do see that there are a lot of opportunities that the building doesn't need to be demolished and rebuilt. So this actually raised the concern because every demolishing and rebuilding, there is a huge construction cost. We realize that a lot of time there isn't a need to demolish the entire building. So that's why there is also a good option to renovate rather than demolish the entire thing. And we have quite a lot of building projects actually are revamped, like become a new life. The building become a new statement after the renovation in Singapore, which set a very good example of how a renovated or major A&A is better than complete demolishing. Greening an existing building will significantly reduce the construction costs. Think about it. The demolishing of the building takes much longer, and there are a lot of labor, a lot of transportation is required. So we can minimize a lot of this construction cost and the labor usage as well. Because after the pandemic, we can see the foreign labor in Singapore is really a problem for the market. So for the building to quickly continue to function the way it can, the cost and also the labor is very important factors to the developers. At the same time, to use the existing building, it can also significantly reduce the embodied carbon, because for a building, the majority of the embodied carbon come from the concrete and also the main structure. So if we are able to retain the existing building main structure, we can significantly reduce the embodied carbon account for this building. Lightweight construction itself is low in embodied carbon, so it's already a preferred material over the traditional construction method. So at the same time, we're also seeing that the lightweight construction materials are also the perfect choice for the existing building renovation. For example, timber floor over the concrete actually give the building a new touch, and then at the same time reduce the embodied carbon. So at the same time, lightweight construction also is significantly reduce the labor cost and also the construction timeline. And then when we talk about lightweight construction, there are a lot of great examples like timber or metal, or especially timber, give the building a very natural finish and natural look, which is also a very good statement about sustainability in the building.
This is the end of this episode. Thanks to Joy Guy to let us discover the huge potential of the building renovation in Singapore, and go to other episodes to better understand the local issues of homes.